AI is moving fast, and now traders are asking, can tools like Google's Gemini actually help you day trade crypto? Let's break down exactly how traders are starting to use Gemini for analysis, trade setups, and even automation. This is Fintech Bot Focused, where we discuss, dissect, and implement all things automated trading. If you're into bots, AI, and smarter strategies, hit subscribe and let's get into it. Step 1. Market analysis with Gemini. Instead of staring at charts all day, you can feed Gemini real-time crypto data, things like candlestick charts, volume, or order book levels. Gemini then summarizes the market in plain English. It can highlight whether momentum is bullish or bearish, what patterns are forming, key support and resistance zones. Think of it as an AI assistant scanning markets while you focus on execution. Step 2. Crafting trade setups. Once you've got analysis, you can prompt Gemini to suggest trades. For example, given BTC's RSI is oversold on the 15-minute chart, suggest a scalp trade with entry, stop loss, and target. Gemini won't press the buy button for you, but it can generate structured setups that you can review and then execute manually or pass along to your automation flow. Step 3. Linking to automation. This is where Gemini gets really useful. Pair it with TradingView, Zapier, or a custom bot, and you can take its trade logic and turn it into automated alerts or live orders. The flow looks like this. Gemini analyzes the data, suggests a setup. You connect that setup to your automation tool. Your bot executes trades directly on your exchange. It's not magic, but it's a fast way to bridge AI insights with live execution. Why traders like this approach: faster analysis across multiple pairs, structured trade setups ready in seconds, a stepping stone into full automation without coding everything yourself. Limitations you need to know: Gemini doesn't place trades. You'll still need an API or bot for execution. AI outputs depend on the data you feed it. Bad data, bad setups, and no matter how smart the AI sounds, risk management is still on you. Stop losses, position sizing, discipline. That doesn't go away. Final take. Using Gemini for crypto day trading isn't a silver bullet, but as a decision support tool, it can speed up your workflow, cut through noise, and help you test strategies faster. And here's a pro tip: if you're already experimenting with bots, don't forget to upload your trade logs to the AI bot analyzer at fintechbotfocused.com. It's free, and it'll show you exactly how your bot is performing with AI-driven insights. Links in the description. Your turn. Would you trust Gemini to guide your trading setups, or do you think AI still has too far to go before it's ready for live trading? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your perspective. And if you found this breakdown useful, hit like and subscribe to Fintech Bot Focused for more AI trading insights and automation breakdowns. Catch you in the next one.